We were wondering if you think there is a pushback by consumers in China, not because of the slowing economy, but because they're kind of punishing the United States, and they want to do that through our largest company. Do you think there's anything to that?
I wholeheartedly agree with that. I do think there's some type of boycott happening in China among or about U.S. products. I think Apple is certainly at a disadvantage here. I think there's, given the U.S. trade war with China, there's certainly this animosity, this bad taste in the mouth, and I think there's a tremendous amount of propaganda also coming from the Chinese economy to not buy U.S. products. So I absolutely agree with that comment. I think that's certainly part of the reason for the miss, and I don't think this really subsides anytime here in the near term.
You don't? Even if we get some kind of a resolution to this trade fight, we get a deal on paper, everybody shakes hands, there's a photo opportunity, is that going to change things for Apple?
Yeah, I mean, and Brian, such a good question. But first, realistically, do you think something's actually going to happen? Personally, we don't. We don't think something's going to happen here in the near term. So if you have the belief that something will happen, maybe you get some short-term relief from a stock perspective for Apple, but from the economy, Chinese consumers right now do not want to buy U.S. product because of all of this bad hype coming from the Chinese economy and the Chinese government. And I don't see that really changing anytime soon. So unfortunately, I think Apple's really disadvantaged here from that perspective. And then also, if I look at 2019, people were disappointed this year with iPhones. Looking at next year, there's really no exciting new specs that are coming for the iPhone in 2019. So, there's an underwhelming 2018 3 version launch. I'm really hard-pressed to see anything exciting for 2019 iPhones.
We just talked about the initiation from Pivotal Research on Amazon, $1,920 price target there from Brian Weiser. It's about 23% upside to the current price. I know you're bullish on Amazon. I would assume you agree with that call, Brad.
Yeah, I mean, if you look at the long-term growth winners within technology on a global basis, Amazon is dominating. If you look at their different business lines, you have Marketplace, you have AWS, they have multiple businesses that they're absolutely crushing it. So I actually think in a 24 to 48 month time frame, the stock's significantly higher than that. But yeah, I think any weakness there for Amazon is a buying opportunity. And I think in some point in the future, maybe it's 3, 4, 5 years out, I think you actually see the company getting broken up because of how big it will get.